Hair gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I am going to be reviewing today was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. As you guys can see, this is another headband wig, and the cap construction is 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the little elastic or whatever Velcro thing with headband units. Now, the wig that I am reviewing, as you guys can see, is a gray wig, and it is 18 inches long and is 150% density. Now, if you are interested in any more details, specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye! Okay, y'all, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you Ywigs for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking is in the wig name Nancy. The hair color, I mean not the hair color, child. The length is 18 inches. The density is 150% density. The hair color they have on here as image, the cap construction, headband wig, and the cap size is average. So I'm going to go on to the site and we can see more details about the wig. So they have on here luxurious Nancy dark roots gray headband wig, Bodywave 9A Brazilian human hair. Okay, it says put on and go wigs, beginner and lazy girl friendly, no glue, no lace, super realistic look. It says the density, it looks like the wig only comes in 150% density. I know sometimes when it comes to Ywigs, they'll have a wig that'll say like, you know, the picture is 150, or they'll send me 150, but you'll have the option to get 180. But it looks like this wig only comes in 150% density. But the length, you can get it from 10 to 22 inches. And now, if I'm not mistaken, didn't I say 18 inches for me? Yeah. So I have it in 18 inches. So I'm gonna give you the pricing with the shortest length, which is 10 inches. If you get it in 10 inches, it's gonna be $119, honey. Okay. And if you get it in 18 inches, which is what I have, it's gonna be $196. And if you get it in 22 inches, it's going to be $261. Okay, so that is how much the wig is going to cost. Like it depends. It has other lengths available. I just gave you the shortest, the length that I have, and the longest. So those are that little price range. Now with this wig, if I'm not mistaken, it does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the little, what's it called, Velcro thing that comes with all headband wigs. So you can get it like that. And as far as not density, child, as far as it being tangly, this wig is not tangly whatsoever, and it has not shed on me thus far. That doesn't mean that it won't shed at some point, but right now it is not shedding. And as far as big head friendly, I feel like with headband wigs, they're basically one size fits all, girl. Okay, so we're not gonna even get into that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Child, let me fix my little headband. Yeah, girl, yeah. Now, if you see little flakes in here, honey, that is not dandruff, okay? That is my gel because I just washed my hair, girl, okay? Okay, so that's pretty much it as far as the cap construction and details about that. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we will get into what I think about this wig. So this is where the hair stops on me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4", y'all, so I'm not very tall. So this is where it stops on me. And this is where it comes to me in the back. I hope you guys can see because I'm having to hold this mic. Can y'all see? Yeah. I hope. So yeah, that's where it comes to me in the back. Like I said, keep in mind I'm 5'4". This can be longer or shorter on you depending on your own height. But that's where it comes on me. So now if you're interested in how I feel about, oh girl, how I feel about Nancy, honey, then please continue to watch. Okay, so if you've been watching me for a while, you may or may not know that I am a fan of gray hair. Like, it's just one of my things. Like, I love gray hair. Every time I wear gray hair, my aunt and my grandmother are like, why do you wear gray hair, girl? Like, we're dying ours and you're throwing it on. But I like gray hair. I just like how gray hair looks on me. I feel like when I'm older that I am going to be one of those women that just embraces gray hair. Like, I'm gonna be fine with having gray hair because I like gray hair. I love it. Like, gray hair is just one of those things for me. So when the company suggested this week, I was like, yes, girl, send her on. I am never gonna turn down gray hair. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I think it's an entire look. I feel like it's a wig that you can wear whether you're older or younger. I feel like it will look a lot more natural on the older you are, but I feel like you can wear it either way. So I'm feeling it. It's a vibe. Like, I love Ywigs. Ywigs have not let me down, honey, thus far. When they send me a unit, they send me the heat, girl, okay? So, like, yeah, I'm feeling it. They've never sent me a wig where I felt like I had to send their unit back and blah. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe for me. It's the entire look. Let me know down below. I know a lot of you guys are like, girl. Girl, because a lot of y'all act like my family members, honey. Okay, the comments that y'all give me, y'all give me the vibes of my folks, honey. Okay, my folks give it to me real. They give it to you straight, no chaser. And that's the kind of vibe y'all give me. So let me know what you guys are thinking, even though I know a lot of you gonna be like, honey, I don't want no gray hair. You can rock it too, sis. You can rock it too. So yeah, let me know down below. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and then we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, once again, child, my little cheap earrings. Y'all, one day I'm gonna invest. Okay, y'all, so that is pretty much it. Let me know down below what you guys think about it. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, what you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.